Hi everybody, my name is Jason and I'm here unboxing the AKASO Brave 7 action camera. So I ordered this camera recently and I've been waiting to do an unboxing to show everyone what I got. So the box it came in was really big and wouldn't fit here for me to break open. So I went ahead and took everything out, but it's all here and I'm going to show you what I got. So inside the box were these two cards which are in Chinese because I'm in China and it's a Chinese company. So you can see the website here and just, you know, a really fun little guy that has a action camera for a head, and it says go beyond with AKASO. So, and then this QR code is only going to work if you have a WeChat or Weixin app. If you have an account with them, then you can follow them through that channel. So we got a couple of those. That's kind of fun. I had hoped they were stickers, but they're not. So, all right. So luckily, because this is a little bit older, there's a newer version of the Brave 8. I got a lot of extra stuff with this. So some unexpected things was I got this really fun looking point of view necklace that they just threw this in, and so you wear this around your neck and it's got this brace here for any kind of phone, and then it gives like a point of view of what you're seeing, so you're not having it's hands free, right? So you can put that on, which is kind of fun. Obviously it's not made for the action camera, but it's made for your phone, and so yeah, it's kind of fun. Hadn't expected that. That wasn't something they said they were sending, so that's kind of fun. Then I got an absolute plethora of different attachments, and so here they are. So here come the attachments before I even get to the actual camera. So these are the accessories. So this is like a fancy little nifty clip. So I'm assuming you can clip this like on a piece of cardboard or on a piece of metal, something that's flat and solid. And then it's got the brace here where you can screw on the camera for you to see that. So as you can see here, it's got a really strong kind of alligator clip tip, and then you just mount the camera here and then use your bolt to tighten that up. Okay, so that's kind of fun. Not sure how I'd use that yet, but we'll figure something out. This one is part of a bigger set. So this is the clip-on for the chest vest attachment, which is kind of fun too. So this is kind of like that point of view camera that I had earlier for you. Point of view brace, I guess you could call it. And so here comes the chest vest. Okay, so you wear this. This is the part that would be kind of facing out. Your neck would be here. It's got a clip that goes around your back. Okay, and these go over your shoulders, right? So these go over your shoulders, and then this goes around your kind of like your torso. It's like a torso brace. And then this just actually just slips in like this, just kind of right here, and it just snaps right into place. And so then you would use your camera would be mounted, and then you'd have this adjustment bolt to be able to switch that around. So that's kind of fun. That was something that normally wouldn't come with a camera like this. It'd be an extra. It's for your runners and your hikers and different things so that they can kind of get your point of view from your eyes. I'm super excited about this attachment, this accessory. This is the headlamp version. So you wear this around your head and you put your camera right here on top. You bolt that in again, and then it's going to work like a headlamp. What I really like about this one particularly is it has these non-slip sticky bits here. Okay, so it's got a chance, it can kind of bite or stick to your skin or your hair so that it does that. It's also got a couple of like nice attached pads here so that your head doesn't get too if it's sweaty or something, it kind of still stays in place. It doesn't hurt. It's also adjustable here and on the top, which is kind of fun. So those are some really fun unexpected extras that came with it. All right, I ordered the 256 gigabyte card model, and so this came with it. It's a U3 A2 SanDisk Extreme that will go in the camera. Also, they were running a promotion so that when I bought the Brave 7, I got this foldable, what they're calling a monopod or stand. Okay, it's got the it's like a tripod. It just slips right out like this. Okay, I'm really pleased because it gives me this extra bolt for all these extra accessories. So now I have that extra bolt. That doesn't even include what's also in the box, which is really going to be fun. So this thing's really nice. It's got this sort of like wrist lanyard that I can put on the camera or onto this attachment, okay, which is nice. I can carry that around with me, so it can go through this slot here, and then I can carry that on my bag or whatever, okay. So that's kind of fun. And again, really fun because this thing snaps in. So here's your release button. When you click that, it releases the extension on this little selfie stick deal, right? The rest are all adjustable through the through loosening them up like that. The various bolts here, they're different deals, so that's cool. And so then I'm going to fold this back, and then it doesn't go all the way because you have to hit the button again. Then down here, this is really cool. This little hidden feature is that we've now got a tripod that's built into the base. So now I can put the tripod on here for those times when I need a solid, stable place. And then this just sits up like this. So that's pretty sweet, man, to be able to put that straight into the base like that. I really like that feature. It's a great way to be really economical and practical with the way we store the stuff. So again, that can hang on there, and then now I've got this. It's nice. It's got these grips so you don't lose it. If you're holding it with your hand, it doesn't slip out, that kind of thing. So yeah, that's some good stuff. All right, now on to the camera, which is the thing that everyone's here to watch, which is cool. I am so excited about this. I'm gonna open this right up. It's got two different color screens on it. It's 8 times waterproof, so basically it goes, I think, up to 10 meters or 30 feet. It's completely self-contained in the case. We can go up to, we have 4K recording, 30 frames a second, and then a 20 megapixel camera. Okay. On the side here, you can see this also includes, which is what I'm super excited about as well, the remote, which allows your remote activation of the Brave 7 when you're taking photos. So you could use the tripod selfie stick deal, have it set up, and then use the remote to activate the camera so that it can take photos, which is really sweet. Okay. Of course, it's got, you know, all the stuff about how to connect with the community. And then here we are, we have what's in the box, which we've got the camera, we have a camera frame, the remote, we have a battery charger. There should be a couple of batteries in there, another mount, then we have a helmet mount, we even have a lens cloth, which is good, handlebar mount, then we have some different straps and zip ties, the USB cable, a couple of adhesive pads, a spanner, which will help us attach things to, you know, whatever different things we need to use, and then the quick start guide, which is going to be pretty cool. And then, of course, they want you to download the AKASO app, the AKASO Go app, which I'll be able to do that later and tell you more about how that works. I've read mixed reviews, so I'm anxious to try that out. Not much on the top. And then here is the Brave 7, which I'm pretty excited about. Now, this is a little different. It's the way it opens here is at the bottom. You've got this sort of pull strap to open it. So here we go. We're opening it up, right? And then it gives us a chance to get the box open. Okay, it's nice and neatly packed. I'm just going to kind of slide it. Oh, wow, it all just kind of comes out all at once, which is pretty sweet. That's all that's in there. So I'm going to put that off to the side. All right, so here is our camera. It actually tells you how to do this. You've got to take this rubber strip off, take out the silicone rubber protector, and then give the mount buckle a hard pull, and it'll come off. So we just pull this off like that, and then give it a good pull. Let's see. All right, so I have that out now. It just took me a second to kind of give it some really full strength deal. So there's the camera there. Okay, and then the rest is inside the box, which is here. So as promised, our quick start guide is located there. There's one battery and two batteries. Good, okay. They told me there would be two, and there are two. Fantastic, okay. Here is one mount, which is, wow, that's great. Here's another one. I think these two go together for something, not sure. Okay. Wow, lots of different mounts. That's great. Okay, there's my USB-C plug. Here's the spanner so that we can tighten different things up as part of the, to make sure it's nice and secure. My remote. So here's my remote for that as well. There's our spanner. Here's a couple of just mounts that we have. Wow, lots of good mounts. That's the helmet cam mount. That's for your handlebars. This is just a strap, like a Velcro strap. Wow. In fact, multiple to make them longer or shorter. We've got a couple of self-adhesive pads, a lens cleaner. It looks like a tie down that's like an aircraft cable type thing. We've got some zip ties and then a couple more mounts. And this is the charger for the batteries. Wow, lots of stuff, man. I can't believe how much came with that. That's really, really cool. Okay, so this is what comes with the Brave 7. Lots and lots of stuff. I don't know if I'll ever get to use it all, but I hope so. Okay. But yeah, that's it. I will be making some videos about how much I really enjoy or don't enjoy using it. I can't imagine I wouldn't enjoy using it. I cannot wait to try it out. So stay tuned for more videos from me. Don't forget to check out my Zanap link over at zanap.link/disco inferno, and make sure you get the spelling right. But please check it out and let me know what other things you'd like for me to review. I'm in a fortunate situation of living in China, being able to get access to purchasing things directly in China to get to see things. So let me know what you like to see, or if you're a company who would like to have me unbox some of your products and talk about the whole process. But thank you guys so much, and I appreciate the support.